Hello and welcome to this video on how to obtain financial freedom. Financial freedom is the state of having sufficient personal wealth to live a comfortable and flexible lifestyle without the need to constantly work for income. It's something that many people aspire to, and in this video, we'll be discussing some steps you can take to achieve it. Step 1. Create a budget. The first step to obtaining financial freedom is to create a budget. This will help you to understand your income and expenses and give you a clear picture of where your money is going. To create a budget, start by listing all of your income sources and then all of your expenses. This can include things like your rent or mortgage, car payments, student loans, credit card payments, and other bills. Once you have your income and expenses listed, you can subtract your expenses from your income to see if you're spending more or less than you're earning. If you're spending more than you're earning, you'll need to cut back on some of your expenses or find ways to increase your income. Step 2. Build up your savings. The next step to financial freedom is to build up your savings. This can include both an emergency fund and long-term savings for things like retirement or a down payment on a house. A good rule of thumb is to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses in an emergency fund. This will give you a financial cushion in case of unexpected expenses or a loss of income. For long-term savings, consider setting up a retirement account like a 401k or IRA and contributing to it regularly. You can also save for other financial goals, like buying a home or starting a business, by setting up a separate savings account and making regular contributions to it. Step 3. Pay off debt. If you have high-interest debt, it can be a major barrier to financial freedom. Consider creating a plan to pay off your debt as soon as possible. This might involve consolidating your debt, negotiating lower interest rates, or seeking help from a financial professional. Step 4. Invest wisely. Investing can be a powerful way to grow your wealth and achieve financial freedom. However, it's important to invest wisely and not take unnecessary risks. Consider seeking the advice of a financial professional or doing your own research on investment options that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Step 5. Plan for the future. Financial freedom isn't something that you achieve overnight. It requires planning and discipline. Consider setting financial goals for yourself and creating a plan to achieve them. This might involve saving a certain amount of money each month or making a certain amount of money by a certain age. Whatever your goals, it's important to stay focused and be consistent in your efforts. By following these steps, you can work towards achieving financial freedom and living the lifestyle you desire. It won't happen overnight, but with determination and discipline, you can get there. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful.